Today's video is a short thing to show off a new tool attachment I found that really helps to remove linoleum. I had 3 full layers to remove from my kitchen here, and when I started, all I had for tools was my blue bar and my silver floor scraper. I'm leaving a bit at the start of this video to let you see how that went. Not very well. Alright, we're going to try to open this kind of carefully because there's a good chance I'll be taking it back. Oh, and it does have a little bit of a bevel on it. That's nice. I was at the hardware store on the way here today picking up some tools for the hand wasp, some blades for the hand wasp, and I saw that this thing exists, which claims to be a Sawzall blade for scraping the floor. I get to try it out. If it works, then great, it's cheaper, and I get to keep a tool, and I don't have to fuss back and forth with rentals. And if it doesn't work, I can return it, because I'll know within like 5 minutes whether this is going to function for me or not. But here we go. I got 3 layers to get up, and just about as long as it's better than manually floor scraping, I'll be pretty pleased. Oh! Alright, so that can get away from you in a hurry. That got my toe a little bit. We're going to take a second, but it's working. So it's not really great at getting all the way down, but it is doing better than the hand scraper. It doesn't get super far because you only have like a 4-inch blade, but it is getting it. But do not use this one-handed. I'm sure there are plenty of other tools out there for this, but you know that I work on a pretty tight budget and that I really don't like to rent things. I have the blue bar, the silver floor scraper, and between those two, this process was really slow. But, you know, once I get it lifted up a little bit, I can come in here and break it a little bit. And look at that. With the Sawzall scraper, it's a lot less frustrating, even if I do end up going back and forth between the tools a lot. When it goes, it goes. I think Milwaukee probably intended the scraper to be used in conjunction with several other tools. Clearly it's not sharp enough to get the paper off the floor, and if you want to adhere something new down, you're going to need to get the paper off. I'm going to use LVP, so this will probably do me just fine.